Hello friends, welcome to Painting Hyun channel. I'm Jung. I try to make this channel for people to be painting easier, no matter where they live in the world. Today's painting is I'm gonna be showing you how to paint some simple, fun watercolor greeting card for any occasions. This is the greeting card that we made it last Saturday. So today is the second day of the greeting card series. Lettering is congratulations. So we can use for birthday, graduation, someone get a job, etc. Can be used for any celebrations. Okay, let's get started. Here are my materials, colors: red, sap green, brilliant pink, ochre, brushes, Raphael Round brush, and I'm going to use micro pen 03. Paper, I prepared watercolor paper 7 by 10 inches and I folded the half of the paper, so I will use paint 7 by 5 inch paper. First step is I'm getting some brilliant pink, paint or petals. So this is the first layer. The paper of petal part is still wet, so it's the right time of the draw some vein of the petals. So I'm gonna use the back end of the brush and draw very gently. I wanna get some nice ochre. I'm doing to paint on the flowers. I'm using the tip of the brush. Clean up each petal with ochre. Move to next flowers. It's a kind of birds. I'm using same colors, brilliant pink and magenta. Another small bird. First brilliant pink and then magenta. Draw the stem with sap green. I'm arranging and clean flowers with opera colors. I'm taking a little bit of yellow and paint the center of the flowers. I need to wait for paper dry and then I will come back and add some more colors. This color is ultramarine mix and ochre, so I got some kind of violet. I'm adding on the center of the flowers kind of dots. Move it to background. So I want to use a separator technique with pink and blue colors. So I applied water. Then I splash it with pink and blue. That looks really natural, right? Okay, we are finishing the flower part of the card. So next, I'm gonna write congratulations with Micron 03 pen. You can use any brand of waterproof pen, okay? So I'm not a good at calligraphy, but I can try to create the lettering. Okay, you can do it. Okay, is it looking great? Okay, we are done today. Next topic is love. We are gonna be painting sunflowers next Saturday. Okay, and I hope you will give it a try this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget subscribe and sharing. Hit the like button. See you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.